Marin,
No.
what are you doing? All dressed up and know where to go, huh?
No.
Nice outfit. Nice shoes.
No.
Yeah. Whose shoes you got?
Ba.
That's a purse.
Me.
And that's a ring. Where's your earrings? Oh, they're beautiful. Where's your crown? Oh, yes. Where's your ring? Uh-huh. And what are you wearing on your feet?
Eh.
Where?
Day.
Oh.
Hi, Mom.
Bye, Marin. I love you. Love you.
Bye.
Bye. Where are you going?
Day.
Love you. Love you. What are you doing?
Ba.
That's a pretty ring. And earrings, yeah. Earring.
Ba.
Purse. Is that Mom's?
Hello.
Is that Mom's purse?
No.
No. Whose purse is it?
This.
Marin's purse?
Eh.
Oh, you look good. Oh,
Day.
are you gonna say prayer?
No.
What do you say first?
Mom. Day.
Mom say prayer?
Huh?
You gotta tell Kyle to come for prayer.
Huh?
Is Kyle coming for prayer?
No.
Go tell Kyle to come.